good start for global indices this week. Pretty much all indices in the green as well on Tuesday after a good day on Monday. All three US indices closed marginally higher on Tuesday, with the Dow and S&P continuing to close at record highs. The Dow gained around 4 basis points marginally up in trade on Tuesday. The Dow clocked a third straight day of gains and a fifth straight day positive in the last 6. And the S&P 500 too was up around 18 basis points, has gained in 9 out of the last 10 trading sessions. The Nasdaq too was up around 6 basis points. Again, marginal gains for all three indices, and the Nasdaq is now in the green in 3 out of the last 4 sessions as well, closing in on the all-time high. The Nasdaq is still not clocked that yet. Among European indices, stocks again closed in the green as investors continue to monitor how the earnings season was panning out, which is been quite strong. The DAX closed over 1% higher in trade on Tuesday, with the FTSE 100, CAC 40 and the Stock 600 all closing 3/4 or more of a percent higher in trade on Tuesday. So good day for the European indices as well. Moving on to how Asia is looking early today morning. Major Asian indices have started in the red. The Nikkei is down after gaining over 2% in trade yesterday, is down around 0.5% today. The Shanghai, as we speak, is down almost 1%. The Hong Kong index is also, the Hang Seng is also down 1.5% in trade as we speak. The ASX 200 is marginally lower, in fact pretty much flattish, down around 4 basis points, and the Kospi is down around 0.75%. Moving on to how commodities look, the London Metal Index for USD closed almost 1% lower as prices for aluminium as well as copper cooled off. The DC iron ore prices rose almost 2%. Oil prices retreated marginally and are below the $84.50 a barrel mark. Brent is at almost $86.25 a barrel as we speak, and gold retreated marginally. That is on the back of a firmer dollar. Gold is now at 1793 an ounce. Mind you, it had reached 1800 earlier this week. It's at 1793 an ounce in early trade today. Moving on to the dollar index. The dollar index rose for a second consecutive day, up around 14 basis points in trade on Tuesday, and is flat with a negative bias as we speak, down around 2 to 5 odd basis points in early trade today. Treasury yields dipped as investors wait for the Federal Reserve's next move, and the US 10-year Treasury yields are now at 1.629%, very marginal dip there versus where it was yesterday. Bitcoin fell 3% and is now below the USD 61,000 mark. So that's a roundup from our side on this Wednesday morning in trade.